శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 307th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము ఆది పర్వము 195th చాప్టర్. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Drupada Maharaju asked Vyasa Maharshi, saying that, please clarify my doubt, how can one woman become wife to so many husbands? Then Vyasa Maharshi saying like this, O Drupada, yes, I do understand your question. Asmin dharme vipralabde lokaveda virodhake yasya matam yattat shrotumichhami tasya tat. Because this is looking so awkward and also it is sounding very against to regular routine life. That is why before I give my opinion, I would like to understand, I would like to know all of your opinions in this aspect. Then Drupada Maharaju disclosing his opinion like this, Ho tapodhana adharmoyam mama mataha viruddho lokavedayoho. This is definitely adharmam. This is definitely against to the worldly activities. This is definitely against the Vedam. So there is no way that woman can become wife to so many men. And never ever any of our great people did like this. That is why I cannot accept this. Like that, Drupada Maharaju gave his opinion. Then Dhrishtadyumna is saying like this, Ho tapodhana Vyasa Maharshi, you are such a great enlightened Brahmana. You are only the one who can clarify our doubt. And how can elder brother behave with his younger brothers, with his brother's wife? This is definitely is so awkward. So, of course, all the dharmas are very, very hard to understand, the inner meanings of dharmas. And it is very hard for us to establish what is dharma, what is adharma. But my sister Draupadi cannot become wife to 5 husbands. That won't happen. Like that, Dhrishtadyumna gave his opinion. Then Yudhishthira Dharmaraju saying like this, Ho tapodhana, never ever my words become lies. And never ever my mind behaves towards adharmam. My mind is accepting this vivaham. So that is why there is no way this can become adharmam. Even in Puranas also there is one Jatila. She became wife to 7 rishis. And Kandu Maharshi's daughter Varshi, she became wife to 10 men who have same name. That is why, and also Ho Vyasa Maharshi, out of all the great gurus, who is the first most supreme guru? Gurunancheva sarvesham mata paramako guruhu. Out of all the gurus, mother is the main guru, mother is the supreme guru. Then my mother Kunti Devi, she said, you all enjoy this bhiksha. Who is that bhiksha? What is that bhiksha? Draupadi. So she ordered that. And that is why we would like to marry Draupadi according to our mother's orders. My mother is the supreme guru. In that aspect, in that way, this is definitely dharmam. Like that, Dharmaraju gave his opinion. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.